guys, wizards, witches, and of course art fans, welcome to the channel. And today is a Lego video, and today we're doing Aragog's Lair, set number 75950. So this is a very small set, however, besides its size, it looks like a pretty cool set. It says 0 to 3 is not allowed, and this is recommended with 7 to 14. So I'm fine for this. If you didn't know, well, obviously you can see on here the price for this set is £13, well, £12.99. Now let's just flip over to the back. It looks like Lego Harry Potter has done a pretty good job. So it seems we have a tree here with some mini spiders. We've got some plants, and we even have a little mushroom. We of course have the acromantula, which it seems that the legs can move, the pincers can move, and it's I don't know what it's called, like bottom, I don't know, but this thing right here can move up and down, it seems, which is quite neat. And of course we have a play feature here, so in the tree where this web is hiding, you can actually fire it, which is pretty cool. Now, with some sets, it just lets you cut it open, but this has a tab on, so let's dump everything out quickly. So, seems we have 3 unnumbered bags of Lego. It looks like we have a bag with some small pieces, a big bag with some big pieces, and just, this is like the 2x2s, 2x1s I mean. And of course we also have a instruction booklet, which I believe has 36 steps and 49 pages. So let's get building. Just like that, we have completed Aragog's Lair. It comes complete with acromantula, minifigures, a couple spiders, and also a nice little tree. So we first up have this awesome Ron Weasley minifigure. He is an awesome character. He comes with a lantern. Okay, so it is basically it's built with two pieces. It has a cage kind of piece and a like kind of cylinder piece, which just slips in the middle, and you can just place this in a character's hand just like that. He also has some red hair. If we remove it, we can see he has normal face here, which is quite neat. But I've chose him to have scared because Ron, he's scared of spiders. Moving on to Harry, he is a really cool minifigure, although it's quite common. He has a very cool hairpiece, which specifically visualizes the scar. You guys can see, and I've had him on normal face, but he also does have a scared face, a bit like Ron. Now I'm going to showcase everything else. So we have these really cool like spider pieces, which are just amazing. Like and these are supposed to represent the like kind of, I think, sons and daughters of this guy, the Acromantula. So next up, we have Aragog, or Acromantula, as his species says. So he has really cool posable legs, but they're quite hard to place, so I'm not really gonna remove them. He has a smooth piece here, and he has his bottom thing. I don't know what it's called, but this can move down, which is quite cool. And he also has some pincers. Nyam, nyam. By the way, can you tell me in the comments what this is? And also, could you like if you know who owns this? Yes, leave a like if you know who owns Aragog the Acromantula. So, our final piece, which has the main feature, so is a tree and has some vegetation. You have bush here, another bush type plant thing here. We have some rocky, there's a small web here. We also have a big one, which I put one of the spiders on. We also have another one dangling from a like web pole kind of thing. And there's a mushroom here. And guys, watch out. Woo! That was set number 75950. If you guys want me to do more Lego sets, leave a comment down below and let me know by subscribing and hitting the ding 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 bell button.